In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add releases to Jira. We're going to walk through the process from the project view all the way to creating and saving a new release. This is useful when you want to organize upcoming work, track version delivery, and keep your team aligned on what's shipping and when. To begin, open your Jira project and look for the plus icon in the project interface. Click that icon to open the menu of available project items and actions. From there, click on Releases. If Releases is not already visible in your project's side navigation, Jira may prompt you to make it easier to access in the future. Next, click on Add to Navigation. This adds the Releases section to your project menu so you can return to it more quickly later. It's a simple step, but it can save time if you'll be managing releases regularly. Once you're on the Releases page, click on Create Release. This opens the form where you'll define the details for the new release. The first field to complete is the release name. Enter a clear, recognizable name that matches your team's naming style. For example, many teams use a version number or a short milestone title, as long as it's easy to identify later. After that, select the start date. This helps indicate when work for the release begins and can make planning more structured. Then select the release date, which is the target date for delivery. Be sure these dates reflect your team's timeline, since they help communicate expectations across the project. Next, select the driver. This field is used to identify the person responsible for leading or owning the release. Choosing the right person here helps create accountability and makes it easier for others to know who is guiding the effort. Then enter the description. This is where you can summarize the purpose of the release, what it includes, or any important notes the team should know. A concise but informative description can be very helpful later, especially if you're managing multiple releases at once. Once all the details are filled in, click on Save. Jira will then create the release and add it to your project's releases section. That's it. You've successfully added a release to Jira. If you plan to use releases often, keeping the naming, dates, and descriptions consistent will make your project much easier to manage over time.